Good morning and welcome to a module presented by Netaji Subhash Mahavidyalaya Holdibari Coachbihar. Dear students, in the just previous lecture, I was talking about the characters in The Funny Boy. Now I will complete the characters that are very important in this novel Funny Boy. So far we have read RG, Sonali, Baruna, Amma, Appa, Tanuja, Kanthi auntie, Keril uncle, Ammachi and Appachi, Radha auntie, Anjali Jai Singhe, Rajan Nagendra, Daryl uncle. Daryl uncle is the first love of Arji's mother. He is the person with whom Arji's mother maintained extramarital affairs. But Arji's mother and Daryl uncle did not marry each other because of the ethnic riots between the Tamil and Sinhalese. Daryl came back to her life when he returns to Sri Lanka to cover a report on Tamil Sinhalese riots, but he was killed in the same riot of 1983. Daryl uncle even gets Archie a copy of Little Women, with which Archie seems utterly elated. Jagan Parameswaran. Jagan is the son of Archie's father's school friend. He came there to find a job. Jagan previously was a member of Tamil Tigers organization, that is LTTE, Liberation of Tamil Tiger Elham. But now his father had given him a job in his hotel. Archie has been admiring Jagan's physique ever since his arrival. Archie realizes a little about his sexuality because of feeling attracted to Jagan at the age of 13. Sehan Soeja. Sehan Soeja is also a homosexual boy like Archie. Sehan lacks the awkwardness of most of the boys of his age, and his body is delicately built. Also, he has long hair which he keeps clipped to avoid the punishment which may follow after this revelation. Sehan and Archie love each other. One day, this Sehan kisses Archie, then Archie becomes aware of his homosexuality, and later they have their first sexual encounter in his father's garage. Sehan and Archie are even emotionally connected as they share a different bond, as Archie even deliberately messes up his poem to avenge Sehan. Black tie. Black tie is the principal of Victorian Academy, that notorious Academy or school, nicknamed as Black Tie, because he is very strict towards a student of his school. He is a strong believer of the practice of physical punishment and assumes it as a way to convert young boys into men who can tolerate pain and conform to the convention of being a male. He beats Arji, that is Black Tie beats Arji and Sehan because Sehan fails to help Arji in memorizing the poem. So dear students, if I recapitulate all the characters are Black Tie, the principal of Victoria Academy, Sehan Soija is that boy with whom Arji maintains homosexual relationship. Jagan Parameswaran, he is the son of Arji's father's school friend. Then Daryl Uncle is that man with whom Arji's mother was in love before her marriage. Rajan Nagendra, Radha auntie's husband, Rajan Nagendra, and he is also Tamil. Anil Jai Singhe is the first love of Radha auntie, but ultimately Radha auntie did not marry him because of different ethnicity. Actually, Anil Jai Singhe was a Sinhalese. Radha auntie, the sister of Arji's father. Then there is Ammachi and Appachi, grandmother and grandfather. Keril uncle is the father of Tanuja and husband of Kanti auntie, mother of Tanuja. Tanuja is Arji's cousin sister. Appa is the father of Arji. Amma, mother of Arji. Baruna is Arji's elder brother. Sonali is Arji's younger sister. And Arji, the protagonist. So dear students, while reading, concentrate on the characters of this novel. Thank you. Enjoy reading.